Hello friends, in this video, I will tell you how to make practical file of Class 12 Boards 2026. This yellow file is for project file of physics, chemistry, biology, and English. This is biology laboratory manual, and this there are blank page to write experiment, and some written page of lab instruction you can see in this video. There is index content and many more. Next is chemistry laboratory manual, and then next is physical education, practical man. And next is physics laboratory manual, and physics
So
practical
overall in
and
physics
physics
there are
book.
3 file.